Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build your own custom calendar using the tool from blankcalendarpages.com. So go to their website, click on calendars, create your own calendar, and it brings up a custom calendar maker. So you can click on any of these submenus and customize to your liking. So for instance, we can go ahead and change the month. Let's go ahead and make one for October because that's what I need. You can change the language in case you're joining us from somewhere around the world. For instance, French. But I'm going to go ahead and change it back to English because I need one in English. You can change the title settings. So for instance, the background color, the thickness, I like to use thin, about a 40 text size. Let's go ahead and make it gray and use the Sego script, uppercase. So there we go. We can change the corners, go sharp or rounded. Let's go rounded. Let's change the week menu settings. Let's go ahead and add some background color. Slightly increase the font and change it to red. There we go. That looks pretty cool. We can add a background image as a filter. So let's go ahead and add this heart-shaped cactus because why not? So there we go. So imagine you could add one of your family, of your dogs, or whatever you want. You can change the day menu. So for instance, you can change the color of the weekends. It's not going to be as visible here because of the background image, but you will see something. You can change the size of the day. Let's make that 15. And let's only go ahead and show the current month. So as you can see, it's slightly darker on the weekends, given the background image. We can add our own custom events by clicking on the actual days. So, I don't know, let's say, do something. There we go, there's do something on the 19th. We can add holidays. Currently there are only US, Canadian, and fun holidays available. The fun holidays are those, those funny holidays like Squirrel Appreciation Day and whatnot. Let's just go ahead and do US holidays. So here are all the US holidays for October, Columbus Day being the main one. And let's go ahead and add some moon phases too. So currently you can add the major moon phases. And here we go. We got a full moon on the 20th, looks like. A new moon on the 6th. I think I like this calendar. Ready for export. What you do now is just simply click the export button and give it a few seconds to generate your calendar. And there you go. Here's the final product, downloaded to your downloads folder in JPEG format. So after that, you can either go back and change the date to the next month rather, and repeat. Or simply reset and try something new. Thank you.